Hello dear travelers, I'm very happy to welcome you in my today's video and to give you an update about my Nile cruise here in Egypt. Yesterday, for those of you that don't know, I started my trip from Brussels airport to Hurghada International Airport, and the flight duration was approximately 4.5 hours. Later, from Hurghada International Airport to Luxor, we were transferred to the boat by a bus provided from the travel agency for approximately 5.5 hours. When we arrived in the evening, it was dark and I couldn't see very much how our boat looks like from outside, but inside the interior is really very beautiful, very well maintained and luxurious. And the boat has 4 floors. Right now, I'm in the reading room. As you can see behind me, there is a small library with books in different languages, and those of the books, they are donations from the passengers that were on the boat before me. So if you do such trip and you have a book with you and you don't want to throw away, you can simply leave it here on the library, so the passengers after you, they can enjoy some alone reading time. So today is day 1 of our first day here on the boat, and after a few moments we'll start the first visit of the Luxor Temple. The Luxor Temple is the biggest open-air museum, and it takes approximately 2.5 hours to visit it. In order to have smooth and safe visit in Luxor Temple, you have to consider few things in advance. First, you have to take your sunblock with you, because right now, today, 3rd of April 2022, outside is like 32 degrees Celsius, and it's a good idea to have the sunblock with you. It's good to have a hat or a scarf to cover your head, and of course the sunglasses are must, and to have your phone or your camera with fully recharged battery, because there you will take lots of pictures, and the bottle of water is a must. So dear travelers, every day I will give you an update about the places we are about to visit, and I will give you some updates about how went the visit. So dear travelers, thank you very much for being with me today. I wish you a very good day, stay healthy, stay positive, and I will see you with my next update from my Nile cruise, starting here from Luxor, Egypt. Ciao, ciao!